Hi, I'm Brenda Dycraft, and welcome to the Fit Rider Combo Cardio Workout. We're going to work our bodies from head to toe.
Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV. Have you ever been trying to work out and you feel like you were out of place or using the wrong tools? Doing, man. It ain't arm day? Thought it was gun day for the guns.
Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV. I am your host, the Money Coach, baby. I am veteran and an ex-corporate American worker, baby, okay? All right? My life changed when I got fired from my job during the pandemic and I was forced to use my savings to take care of my family with my 401k. Okay, had depleted all, and that's when I turned straight into investing. Okay, I looked at all my investment accounts that I had through my 401k, and baby, and I made that my job. Okay, so now this is my new job to help motivate, encourage, and try to help educate anyone who don't know, scared, afraid about the stock market, baby, and all young entrepreneurs, baby, to get that money, baby. Okay, things are coming soon. Let's get into the video today. All right, have you ever been out of place somewhere and you sitting there using the wrong tools, using the wrong things, listening to the wrong people? You know what I'm saying? Stop doing that, baby. Okay, you gotta stop listening to the wrong people and using the wrong tools, especially if you're in the stock market, baby. If you're into the stock market, if you don't know what or how to find the balance sheet of a company, you're crazy, baby. Something's wrong with your head. You ain't thinking. Okay, Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance is there for you. You take that ticker symbol that you'll be looking at on YouTube, Instagram, wherever you get your information from, because I am not a financial advisor. Just want to let you know. I give you some stock tips, but I am not a financial advisor. You take the ticker symbol. You go pull up Yahoo Finance. It's a free app, or you can just look it up on the website. You took that ticker symbol and you research, baby. You pull up the balance sheet. That's why you get the PE ratio. You get your see how much debt they have, see how much assets they have, baby. Okay, remember assets over liabilities. Okay, PE ratio. Think about that. All right. Got some tips to help you out into the stock market, baby. All right. So let's go. Be blessed to invest in yourself from the Money Coach. And stop, you know what I'm saying, doing the wrong thing, being out of place like I am right now. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Let's get into it.
Getting the heart rate up a little bit? Great. Keep pulling. You're doing awesome. Whew. Pull. Good. Now as you go forward, I want you to lean forward. Yeah. We're going to engage the abs while we're doing this. Pull. you'll feel it in the abs and the back. Pull. Woo! Pull. Great job. 4 more. Woo! Great. Good. Now when we come forward, press down. Just like this. You see how we just changed the handle movement? That's right. We're going to start to engage the triceps. How you feeling? Great. And how you feeling? Good? All right. Come on, let's bump it. Push down.
Clean arm day?